make sure you get all your supplies out, and make sure you put out all of your cigarettes and anything else you're smoking, and just keep everything in nice, neat order. Nice and neat, just like me.
Had a little incident with the thing, so we gave him a little bit of a Band-Aid. Here you go. Wouldn't be the first time I put a Band-Aid on you.
Yeah. There it is.
Hammer drill.
Wow. That is on there. First.
Yep, big washer first, then a lock washer. Then if your girlfriend's around, you ask her for some fingernail polish, and you hit the threads with some fingernail polish, and it doesn't matter what color, and then it'll keep the bolts from rattling off. And double nut them, yep. Put the first ones on tight first, and then put the other nut on top.
I don't know that we have.
So you're going to tighten the bottom nut first, and then the second nut gets tightened later.
We're not going to have enough threads for a double nut.
Oh, well then if you don't have enough threads or double nut, then you just do it. These are grade 8 bolts that threaded right through the bumper.